Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In today's video, you will get how to change one sentence into negative and interrogative where you use used to. Let's get started. Used to. When you change one sentence into negative, we use the phrase instead of used to, we use didn't used to. Okay? Instead of used, past form, we use used. Didn't used to. Let's see. I used to wake up early. Both pronunciation is same. Used. Okay. I used to wake up early. It's negative. Didn't use. I didn't used to. The main verb is as usual. Base form of verb. Wake up early. She used to like coffee. Used to will be didn't used to. She didn't used to. Okay, like coffee. They used to have a car. Used to. In negative sentence, they didn't used to have a car. But main verb is in the base form. He used to play football. Used to will be didn't used to. Okay, he didn't used to play football. We used to eat spicy food. We didn't used to eat spicy food. Used to, didn't used to. Remember, students often make mistakes while they are using the negative form. There also they use used instead of use. Okay, so don't forget to use use without D. Right? I didn't used to, and the main verb is in the base form. We used to eat spicy food. We didn't used to eat spicy food. Okay. Then we'll see how to change one sentence into interrogative. Right? You used to play the guitar. This is one affirmative sentence. How to change the sentence into interrogative. In interrogative, we use did plus subject plus used to. Instead of used, we use without D. Then the next portion. You used to play the guitar. Use subject. Used to what? Then the main verb play the guitar. It's interrogative did. Then the subject did plus subject then used to. Did you instead of a used to without D. Did you used to which verb is there base form of verb? That will be written. Play the guitar. Okay. Question mark. She used to live in Delhi. Used to. Interrogative. Did she? Subject she. Did she instead of used to use without D. Did she used to live? As usual the verb live in Delhi. Question mark. They used to go to that school. They didn't, negative, they didn't used to, interrogative, did they? Did they, subject they, did they used to, without they. Then go to that school. Okay, go to that school. Question mark. Did they used to go to that school? He used to watch cartoons. Did he used to watch cartoons? Right? We used to visit grandma every summer. Did we? With the subject, did we used to without D. Did we used to visit grandma every summer? Every summer. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Do not forget, like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.